secret about my house. A lot of little monsters live here. But I have a super pet that likes to catch them. His name is RoboVac. He has 2 claws and a giant mouth. We like to go on monster hunting adventures. Look, he's going into the forest. Oh no, the monsters are trying to run away. Go, RoboVac, charge! Slowly. Oh, be careful. Good job! We did it!
Sweetie, I'm home.
Introducing the DEEBOT connected line of smart, powerful, and connected robot vacuums. NEATO's laser smart mapping and navigation system with real-time object detection continuously scans your home and methodically cleans every room, cleaning around furniture and objects. NEATO robots even navigate well in the dark and get under beds and furniture too, where dirt and dust hide. Unlike other robot vacuums that bounce around the room in a random style, NEATO robot vacuums use smart path planning to clean in a back and forth pattern to deliver an intelligent, methodical clean. It's efficient too, finishing the job up to 4 times faster than other bots. NEATO also automatically avoids stairs using drop sensors. When it comes to floors, NEATO robots drive over your different floor surfaces with ease, automatically adjusting for optimal performance. And corners are no match for NEATO, because unlike round bots, NEATO's unique D shape allows it to clean deep into corners. When bigger messes happen, NEATO knows what it takes to tackle them. With one of the largest dirt bin and biggest blower on the market, it can pick up larger debris as easily as it picks up pet hair. And since it's all powered by lithium-ion batteries, larger jobs are no problem for your NEATO robot. NEATO BotVac cleans, automatically moving from room to room. Then, if NEATO is running low on power, it just goes back to the charge base to recharge, then returns to where it left off to finish the job, until the entire level of your home is cleaned. But most importantly, you get the power and convenience in the palm of your hand by using the NEATO app. Start, stop, and receive notifications wherever you are. It's easy. Just schedule cleanings every day or on a schedule that works for you, and view your cleaning stats to better manage your robot. Use the NEATO app to clean from anywhere at any time. Smart, powerful, connected.
Say hello to the Braava mopping robot from iRobot. And say goodbye to everyday messes. Just press clean. Braava automatically knows what to do. The precision jet spray loosens dirt, while the vibrating cleaning head gently scrubs stains. Braava uses iRobot's advanced navigation software and a full suite of sensors to map and track where it's been, helping it mop in an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. It keeps going until the whole room is clean. Braava is great for kitchens and bathrooms. It's small enough to work its way into tight spots. It carefully cleans around obstacles, so it won't harm furniture, rugs, or walls. When it's done, simply eject the pad. Your hands never touch the dirt. RoboJet features 3 cleaning modes. It recognizes the type of cleaning pad and automatically adjusts the way it cleans. Attach a wet mopping pad, and RoboJet uses a triple pass cleaning motion, precision jet spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to tackle dirt and stains. Attach a damp sweeping pad, and RoboJet uses a double pass cleaning motion, reduced spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to gently clean everyday dust and dirt. With a dry sweeping pad, RoboJet traps and locks dust, dirt, and pet hair using a single pass cleaning motion. RoboJet is great for hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone, so you can enjoy cleaner floors and a fresher home every day. You, RoboJet, and iRobot. Better together.